Anna, anne base can be. Boring taste they come boring themiga.
Animal is at distance the eligible Thomas ba.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So to all my loyal 100 viewers, so I am back with my another vlog. So another off day, another vlog. Today we are going into a very exciting place. So yeah, stay tuned for that and I'll show you guys when I'm there.
We check the
fruity bottle. Kale chigi fit check di. Josh to me ba na?
This is
Telangagia. Kachi. This is my outfit for the day. Kam jis tamo mo? Shit, I mean, shit the delivery. It's zabe onje.
Puro sai se maza ya.
Coffee da banana chai.
Toke do unga to jogo jogo nu chizo.
Enka mori. Hani bizo chima chito.
Watermelon ne bhai. Watermelon che bhai. Ready for the zoo 1 hour mein?
Yeah, ina.
1 hour 8 minutes.
Makhului? Hi guys! Finally, yeah. I love shanga chiga ti moinga disha. Chigi introduce pena.
Ngachi dari gato ina ngachi pincha su chao. Elephant chao, giraffe chao.
So hi guys, we are here at Vancouver Zoo, Greater Vancouver Zoo Summit Mindi. So yeah, it's around 1 hour drive from Vancouver me. So yeah, let's see all the animals. I guess there are like 100 and gamche species dulo.
128.
128 different type of animals species dulo me ya. Nadi.
140.
Animals. Ana kogi ani chhad disu. Cheba mayo kogi chhad disu. Kodi giraffe, kogi spirit animal di, kogi achin elephant. Because you have big ears me. Dala chigidi.
Adi.
Chigidi
Tama tama and bigi kasto da. Identify bigi to guy. Ani basic.
Let's go to book.
And do you have a guest with you, Ricky?
Anna, ani basic can be chogo. This is the outline of the map. Kaling again, Mike. This is the outline. Me. Kati gachi gachi na na dun mein gaya. Let's go and see the lion. So the first animal that I will be seeing and I'll be showing you guys is lion and tiger. It's like the first time in my life ever I'm seeing lion and tiger alive in front of me, a real one. So yeah, let's go guys. I'm kind of excited because I've never seen the real lion and tiger in my life. Kinchap daw jogi me chhad disu. Kinchap dengagi fast hoyi me. Let's see. Kinchap is here. Oh my god, Kinchap is here, guys. Here is Kinchap. This is Kinchap. Ah, oh my god, Kinchap.
China should be
Yeah,
the
that
Zumbi
should be there. First time hoyi me ngagi. Ani si. So the first animal ngachi told me the giraffe me. It's so unreal. First time so unreal me katu ani. Statues me thome ate. Lion. Yeah, white color lion me. Afa guys lion. Do you know my camera is zoom amchira betube but zuna dari kincha dinara dam jago be
거기 삐쳐 남고
ani se pincha nam ruche de yani right place na hinu ba dari ani ka ju white lion ni na wow the lion and the many names of pusok game nita wow the camera is ani just means more camera na girls me mi dome
Faksha.
fu ga de demo me dame kaç becinde dame ya fa kinçap ya info bego telefonu var geçin white and black member brown yadu one
Email and Joseph.
Nidi mara seme and I have no idea what is this one kale ipchinga jomje so ani marala me animal it's very interesting they have ani monogamous lang man hemanga chi biology na hapchi patmo so they have only one life partner in their whole entire life they don't change their life partners which is like very interesting nani spirit animal de ana kincha pani me yalama same me ana das dongora phaga de biduana
파티 디데 거기 넣어
this and this ana same kali kincha stengesi
Camera don't get more.
come to same yalama oh my god
아마도 아마
so hi guys the irritating lodging we would have been a little disappointed because animal this together ani I don't know get far me thora mi thombe quite exhausted don't know because every time there are like lots of thousands of people coming to see them the Turje Bongi Lodge disappointed me because we didn't get to see much of the animals they're like very far away from us the fencing do videos or the any grid ki any fence ki relation with home other than that we came for free so yeah and we are still like it's a very huge place so we are still exploring we are still figuring out the way and the animals as well so as we go by if there is like a different exciting animals I'm surely going to show you guys but then thank you so much for hanging out until now
Demonstration stage छोटा टे एली खोता में.
so guys everyone if you want to see the full video just go to Dichin ki TikTok D the Lechin CHENC so go and watch our video on TikTok ice cream lelo no thank you so let's have a moment of truth and taste خدي ايد بس ثاني انا قاعد بدو
आइसक्रिम मेरे दो एग्जिट ओनली लोते नालो Do not touch Lome.
So hi guys, real animal ladies. I need to suggest to me. It looks really real. I'll show you guys. Anna, dinosaurs. This is it's fake, but it looks damn so real. You know. Fake dinosaurs. You're traveling back in time. The effectiveness of me. It's like it looks so real. Anna chidu. Dinosaur pudi ganali. Oh, kasi mande. Kachino kodi.
안심 지금 샤미세요.
Amchi bomb ho na real nara. The guys do it anjam real na mila hoje. Danga ke hona be 1 2 3 So amchirami zusero mashanga chigdina some animal din mathom thomi disuge ara animal disu sad me gera scam di malum animal disu me aw gaji be ana gaji cameraman
ana 뒤로 더 직선이면요. 뒤로 더 직선.
So namsame bomb bendigi udui animal this is like average experience, but the camel was like ostrich thing me. So how was it for you guys? Chindusu gaiga the last interview chibege tabaya karmaya
same the guy. There was a boring thing at the same time.
세메 가이 보링에 티야.
Anything how much goes kachbina? First thing the
Hey phone, I need my phone.
yeah for interview
first gamidi different animals talking about that he first time mathoming mathoming. The second thing nam some lam jo the same thing gara gat kutli phasi den relation with thomas and boring then it's hot today. Vancouver zumra film be chip thomas tari.
Thank you so much. So Karmalu Bailoj, it's an average experience for him to. So let's see what Dichin has to say about it. Yeah. As they
Hello everyone. Zudi. तुबे जिराफ ता थुपची zebra ता थुपची lion ता थुपची देवेदा 140 एलब देमो बुगना दी but 140 दी माथों आसी 140 एलब दे 140 दी माथों तानी आसी sad आसी तांगाची दी आनी गसलो दा tourism challenge की बुक थोपो होचना ला बेंदेगी आनी इंदिगी डाची ता $50 लो $50 पे baby दी I don't know if it's worth it or no because animal amchi mindu dele gara da to summer bindigi animal su gara chepchi boring theshido te khong boring theme galenga chia boring theme amchi re ngai khatole zero so red be watching ngai di 5 be do giraffe jump is that is duadi me so this is gara boring sorry but that's the truth nga amchi expectation mo amchi babe oi but I don't know that's it thanks.
So Dichin Gidenda is an average experience. Memo, she's going to rate 5 out of 10. So let's see what our Kinchab has to say.
Kachlam nemo.
What do Zugi experience? Just tell me about it.
Sugi experience dictici do halamchi. The namsame anibe animal this at distance that they legitimate Thomas Oba. Tanibe Danias and do. Kashbiani. And chime the radio 6.5 dech 6.5 am stage animal duni di jakse duba teveda bolokhale thomason di gas and the lion this the lion giraffe and this one pakap thoi am chime
So in continuation kale So in continuation with that, I'll show you guys an ostrich too. Me ostrich. Ani biggest bird imo bird. Ostrich के एक the biggest egg say na biggest bird say na ani bi. So for me, if I have to rate the whole journey of the Vancouver Zoo, I would rate around like 7. I have never seen those animals. The giraffe, lion, there was great panda, snow leopard, there was like so many different kinds of animals that I've never seen in my life. Real na bhi thora matho. So it's like worth the experience to do. The sad part is like it's very hot today, which is great, but then anpindigi animal dusudi chipsi vigara and ibedeno, so we couldn't get a proper videos and lishim bethomaso. But other than that, it was like great experience for me. So yeah, do visit Greater Vancouver Zoo. Kinchap getting up bullshitting bedis, he's like laughing behind my back. Great coming here. Photo session going on. Hi guys, so this is Manisha signing off from Greater Vancouver Zoo. Come to September the zoo. Thank you everyone for watching our video. Bye.
Waiting time.
So hi guys, we ended our day with a Japanese grill barbecue. It's here in Richmond and it's very worth it. We have been eating like crazy hell out of here. We have this huge glass of beer. Me and Dishan have this soju. Don't lie, we had soju and then we still have some meat. Interest in this look. Chef, Mr. Chef. Yeah, how was the experience of the first barbecue?
Not bad.
I'm too worst experience. I'm too worst on the mato. Check up the restaurant jo and Junimina. Kachizan Masha, oh, Majim, I'm Chitu Jay slap Junimina. But it was like $300 and it was quite worth it. $270. Almost $300 Judina, they 285. But it was kind of worth it.
empty stomach main.
It was like
company me daily do order the sale
so it's like $55 per person, but you get like unlimited food or meat or whatever you want. You can like get for 2 hours. It's like unlimited $55. Okay, you do that $55 pay beshimle 2 hours ki then you can order as much as you want. Yeah,
Unlimited. It's worth it.
yeah, it's worth it. The last night is there's
There is
the option
beef, chicken,
lamb,
steak do.
bibimbap. Ani ben shimchi. The sauce steam rice, the normal rice made them. So the last na desserts this to be kashna chidda chigi de kashna mashi andi vanilla ice cream.
사디스 샤르샤르 레인을 자고 뭐
Oh yes.
ना बोले गम्जिरो गम्जिले नै
가니시 스티 사치기 두
Yeah, garib dula.
로 아니 치샤 남섬 가면 수기 달래데 치도
치샤미가야
치샤 가이 되다 같이 붓니스키 테스트 나면도 안 자고 면도 같이 돼
Yeah, chidang manuya.
산이 자이 되다 아와야샤 추는데
Karma is always the funnier one in the group. Kodi awasha ilume mashi. Kodi well done zami chimi me bade. Oh, shadi ben kogi de no ben it's like it needs to be super well done ime. Ngai danu di atiti rare beru to medium rare.
Everyone,
thank you for watching our video.
먹고 아우샹 되네. 야, 진짜.